Hey everyone, we're back again with another authentic Thai recipe direct from our restaurant kitchen in Chiang Mai, Thailand. Today we're making a very special family-style stew made with tom yum herbs, chicken, and mushrooms in a dark, sweet, and slightly sour soup base. This is not a traditional Thai dish that everyone knows by name. It's Warawut's go-to recipe when he wants to make something smooth, rich, satisfying, but not too spicy. It's a big bowl of chicken and mushroom soup made Thailand style. While you continue watching the finished pot of stew, let's go over the ingredients. We're using about 400 grams of chicken wings and drumettes, 4 to 5 short pieces of lemongrass, 3 to 4 small pieces of galangal, 3 to 4 small whole shallots, 2 green onions cut into small pieces, 8 to 10 kaffir lime leaves, 3 to 4 cups of various types of mushrooms, 4 to 5 Thai red chilies, not cut or chopped, 5 to 6 cherry tomatoes, 8 cilantro leaves cut across, also known as pak chi phalang, 2 tablespoons of cilantro leaves and stems, roughly chopped, 8 to 10 cilantro roots with short stems left on, 2 tablespoons of Thai light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of Thai fish sauce, 1 tablespoon of Thai dark soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 to 2 tablespoons of lime juice, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of roti chicken and 2 teaspoons of MSG are added to enhance flavor, but you can leave it out and substitute the water with chicken stock. Heat about 2 liters of water or rich plain chicken stock. Add cilantro roots with stems, lemongrass, galangal, and shallots. Add sugar, roti chicken, and MSG if using plain water. Add Thai light soy sauce. Add Thai fish sauce. Add Thai dark soy sauce. Add oyster sauce. Start bringing to a boil and add the chicken. Boil for at least 20 minutes. While boiling, occasionally skim the foam from the top of the soup. Stir some more and check the flavor. If it needs more salt, add fish sauce a little at a time. Squeeze in fresh lime juice. Add kaffir lime leaves, mushrooms, and stir in. Add whole Thai chilies and cherry tomatoes. Add cilantro leaves, green onion, and chopped cilantro leaves with stems. Stir gently and cook for about a minute. Turn off the heat. Serve in soup bowls with steamed jasmine rice on the side. Don't forget that you can now book private cooking lessons with our chef in Thailand on either Zoom, FaceTime, or in person at our location in Chiang Mai. Visit chiangmaicookingschool.com for more info. If you love Thai food but still have trouble saying the names of your favorite dishes, why not give ActiveThai.com a try? At ActiveThai, you can learn to read, write, and speak Thai. Try it out today for free. Our contact information, websites, social medias, and complete recipe library are available online. Just follow the links in the video description below. Thank you and enjoy!